Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to speak while traveling. In simple English, don't worry. I will use easy English and speak slowly. Let's begin. Basic words: ticket, airport, hotel, passport, luggage. These words are very useful for traveling. Now, let's learn sentences. Where is the airport? I have a reservation. Can you help me? Where is my gate? I need a taxi. These sentences are used very often. Now, listen carefully.
Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you?
Where is check-in counter B?
Go straight. Then turn right.
Thank you. I have one suitcase. Please place it here. Okay.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your flight is at 7 p.m.
What is the gate number?
Gate 12.
All right.
Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Thank you for your help. Excuse me? Yes? I need to go to my hotel. Which hotel? Sunrise Hotel. Okay, please sit. How long will it take? Maybe 20 minutes. Perfect. We have arrived. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good day. You too.
Useful expressions. Where is my seat? I need help with luggage. What time is the flight? I have a hotel booking. That's all for today. Now you can speak while traveling in simple English. Thank you for joining this daily life series. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share. And remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.